Well, sa lahat na yata ng feature natin nung nakaraang taon, itong si Bonel Balingit ang nakita natin tumitira ng ganyan. Pero dito sa All Filipino, somehow nagiging rare itong mga tirang ganyan.
Balingit came in.
And that will also put them in the penalty now with under 8 minutes to play. Ali Pic trying to carry the load. Meron Tanduay answering the challenge. We'll be back.
Bonel sees the basket. He has delivery. Defensive end, calculating steal. Meanwhile, pressure. Nothing. That'll go. The rebound. What an effort. I would have expected Coach Derek Romano to use a small but speedy combination.
For the start of the ball game, Ronnie, ikaw ang MVP nito. Why? Sabi niya, dahil puro siya lang nanalo kanina. Pag hindi ka nga MVP rito, eh ikaw...
Kumapit sa bola. Pasa kay Balingit. Iniwasan si Marlo. Pasok! This is a big search by some.
Just one. Balingit is in the game now. For the foul trouble, he just gets his first 2 points.
Ano si Toma, medyo may salbahe rin minsan niya. Ayaw niya alisin si Balingit, maglabang kayong dalawa dyan.
Nakitulong nga si Penisi. Bago inside, Bonel Balingit. Halos nilagay na lang yung sa basket.
Against Kenneth Durandes, Bonel Balingit versus Dennis Espino. Kita mo naman yung mga galaw na yan, ha?
Bonel using muscle. Yes.
Take a look.
That's what you call an authoritative rebound. Hamilton, he dropped it. Nothing there. Bonel Balingit takes it away.
After the 3-point shot and misses, Balingit.
Already 4 defensive rebounds.
He comes closer, goes up, and that's too strong. Ali Pic offensive rebound, he goes up. Wala pa rin, Balingit grabs the rebound.
Kenneth Durandes left over Heaven. June Lipot trying a stretch.
This one no good. Rebound Balingit.
Kenneth Durandes. Whoa, magic shot. Bonel Balingit again controls the rebound. There is Espino, rims out, and Balingit grabs the rebound once again.
To make Hamilton work, but they go out of hustle. Look at Bonel Balingit and Hawkins jabbing each other with praise. Nothing coming from Hawkins. In this game. Start.
Has the ball. Raimundo will get.
Bryce Lago can't seem to find his range as Bonel Balingit again picks up a rebound. He's got 12 caroms in this game that Hel Meneses. Durandes gets around to Hel Meneses. Bonel Balingit another rebound
To the national team this coming December. Balingit.
Balingit magic din yun. And he gets the offensive rebound in 95.
Third quarter pa lang po tayo. Oh, give and go.
Balingit.
Balingit at napalpal sa Limano. Bonel. Central break. At ginagawa na lang sa kanila ng Durandes. Back. Dito ko na Gelson back. Left-handed layup. Kaya magmano Aquino. At Bonel Balingit finally getting the point. Dahil ito ay siya hindi tumatas ating patrimonio para ng rebound. Second break. Binigay ulit kay Bonel Balingit. Still a power underneath the basket. Bonel Balingit. At lang ang Tiras recovered.
Ali Pic, dapat kay Bonel Balingit. Lalaking kanina to.
On him, Martinal. Halos hindi makahawak ng bola ito si Durandes.
Ali Pic again challenge. Pero may foul si Bonel Balingit. That'll be number 4.